Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar Canadian, I still think this is a wave 5 right here, and it probably will not make its way back up here again. First move down is probably a wave A. This is probably 3 waves up for a B, and I bet this is more likely to end up continuing the downtrend for a wave C, probably someplace around the 100% Fibonacci extension. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave B. This still looks to me like a 1. ABC up for the 2. And I still think this is a wave 3. And any moves that we see to the upside on the shorter time frames are just going to be corrections. And I think it will end up continuing back down for a bigger wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up is definitely not a correction. It's probably a part of a bigger correction, but it definitely looks like a trend for the wave A. It's probably going to go down, make a B, and maybe even go up and break structure for the wave C. But I still think it's going to be a correction to this move down, and I still think that the trend is down on the longer time frames, and it will end up continuing down once it completes its ABC correction. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this definitely does not look like a correction anymore. This is for sure a trend, which means that the next move down is going to be a correction to the move up, and then it will probably go up again, probably an A, a B, and a C correction, which definitely could break structure to the upside before it ends up continuing back down. So let's take it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a little bit of a double 1-2, 1-2 right here, which is actually a very common pattern. And then this looks like it's all a wave 3. The next move is probably going to be a 4 and a 5 of wave A. Then we're probably going to make a bigger correction for the B, and then probably back up again for the C. This wave C definitely could go up and break structure, but that doesn't really mean that the trend is over on the longer time frames. It just means that we're making a bigger correction. But I still believe once this bigger correction is over, that we will end up taking out structure to the downside and continuing the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.